In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at generators. So generators are basically functions which are going to return a series of numbers. For instance, over here we have this function called generate even, and you can see that we have provided a value to it like 20. So what this function is going to do is it will print out all the even numbers till 20. So we can increase that value as well, but for the sake of demonstration I have kept it to 20. Now over here you will see that inside this generate even method we are accepting this value inside a variable called range, and then we are starting our iterator I with 1, and it's going through till it matches this value range. So in this case it will be 20, and then we are checking if that number I is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0. In that case we are yielding that value and then incrementing the value of I with 1. Finally, when we are executing this main method, the output will be shown. So all the even numbers till 20 will be shown. Let's go ahead and run this now, and here you can see the output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So generators are helpful whenever you need a series of numbers to be returned by your function.